This afternoon we are in Auburndale and I'm excited to show you this like new Highland Home, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, over 1,700 square feet with all the upgrades. This is a really nice home. Let's go take a look. All right, so we are currently at 1244 Mezzavalle and we are in Auburndale right now. Like I said, it is a really nice Highland Home community. This is the Parker, which is one of their favorite floor plans that I see so many home buyers in. You can see it's a nice, quiet neighborhood, sidewalks, really nice and private, quiet, great location. Let's take a look at this home, see what you think. It is like new with all the upgrades. You can see it's got some fresh landscaping here. Looks great. Front porch. Sit out here, enjoy some family time. You can enjoy the weather, which is right now is nice. You know, coming up in summertime gets a little toasty, but other than that, that's Florida. So this has got a great entrance when you first walk in. You can see the beautiful open concept. Very nice and open. Now, a couple things I want to point out. In the Parker floor plan, you're going to see always the open kitchen, the bar, the island. This has got some different upgrades in it throughout. And if you'd like to get a list of those, I'd be happy to provide it. But notice this, when you first walk in, you're gonna see the luxury vinyl plank flooring, right? This was installed by the owner. They took care of that upgrade themselves. So let's do this. We're gonna first of all show you how this is laid out. So you've got 2 bedrooms and 1 bath here. In the back, you're gonna have the primary suite and another bedroom, all right? So let's just start you off this way. You can see it's a nice size room, currently being used as an office. It's got carpeting, it's got the big window right there, double closet doors. And of course, you know, we always have to be praying without ceasing. 1 Thessalonians, always a good thing to talk to the Lord. Let's keep on going. Here is our other bedroom. The window there, double doors for the closet tucked around that way. And then the LVP flooring is in the main parts of the home. Now it does have a linen closet too for this bathroom, which is great. Okay, this bathroom you'll see is really nice. It's got very neutral colors. Has a tub shower combination. Again, with the flooring in here. Got a little Stello in the tub, and you can see the window that's for privacy. Again, this gives you an idea of medicine cabinet. And then we'll just come right around here. You can see the main part of the home, which is beautiful. Now this is really pretty too. You can see what they've done. This is all custom made. Nice and relaxing. Who doesn't want to just have this on, watching some TV, relaxing in the evening after a hard day's work? Cathedral ceilings. Massive bar area. So this is great for preparing meals, hanging out with guests. You can see this is where you're mainly doing life right here, all of this. Now, a couple things to note. You're gonna see the stainless steel appliances. You got the Samsung, nice upgraded fridge. Same thing with the dishwasher here on the right and the island double sink. And then you have the Samsung microwave and range. This is a nice size dining area. You can see there is 6 chairs there, so plenty of room to hang out with your family and eat. Plenty of natural light here too with the windows and the sliding glass doors leading into the Lanai. Now, one thing I really love about this kitchen is the pantry. Everybody's a fan favorite with the pantry. So with this home, you're gonna have plenty of room for food storage. Look at this. It is, and it's very deep too. So you can see by the floor space, so plenty of room for that. Okay, we're gonna go see those bedrooms in just a minute, but I do wanna point out that the laundry is right here. There's a pocket door. You can close this so You've got your laundry off to the side here. There's your full-size washer dryer hookup. You've got the shelving, and with this case, even an additional counter space, which is nice. Put your shoes, book bags, what have you here, and you can have more counter space for kitchen items or what have you. This is a 2-car garage flowing through here. All right, let's take a look at this part of the house. This is in the rear part of the house. Let's first of all take you to the primary suite. It's huge, very nice size master bedroom / primary suite. Got double windows. You can see all the space, plenty of room. This master bathroom is gorgeous. It has a tub, separate shower. You can see it's really well done. Again, love the tile selection. And then the counter space is very adequate. You've got the raised panel cabinets, which is nice, and the double sinks. Okay, so let's go back here. You can see it's got a shower, got the shower door enclosure, and they did the tile all the way up to the ceiling, which is a nice, nice upgrade. Got the corner glass, so very nice. And then it's got a walk-in closet with additional shelving here on the left. You can see this closet goes way around to the back. So lots of space in this walk-in closet. And then of course you have your toilet room with the pocket door for privacy, of course, right there. So very well laid out, a master bedroom. Also, you have a pocket door here. So if somebody else is getting up earlier for work, close that off. You're not bothering your spouse still sleeping there, which is always nice. And then bedroom number 4, which is a rarity, so this has got the window. It's a little kids room here, which is really nice. Got the closet area. So this has got carpet also. And let's head into the back area. So let me give you another overview of this nice open floor plan. All right, now as we head here, this is a screen porch, screen lanai. And the nice thing about this is it is under truss, meaning it's not an add-on, but you can see this is all under truss. So if you ever wanted to drywall this, make it an additional room, very easy to do. Okay, let's get back here. Show you, this has got the PVC fence on this side. So all you'd have to do is finish a couple little strips here. No big deal. And your yard goes to about here. So this is about where your yard is. You can see the fence line over here. So nice size yard. Get your AC back here, nice stucco job on the outside, all your 30-year dimensional shingles, architectural shingles, very, very nice. It's a great starter home. Absolutely ideal. Been really well taken care of. So if you are looking for a 4-bedroom in the Auburndale area, you need to be able to get to Interstate 4 quickly for work. This is an ideal, great startup home for you. I will tell you, it is priced to sell, looks fantastic. Would love to show it to you. So if you have any interest in this, do me a favor. All my contact information is below. Would love to show it to you. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Thank you so much for taking this home tour. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to continue to see more home tours like this gorgeous home, contact me below. I'd be happy to show it to you, tell you more specifics about this home or anything else we've got listed on the market. If you like this channel, hit the subscribe button and we'll send you the notification. Whenever we drop a new video, you'll get notified. God bless. Have a great day.